In the previous lesson, you got an overview about rbokeh, and in the exercises, you saw examples of rbokeh plots. In this lesson, you will learn how rbokeh plots are constructed and how to specify data and arguments. rbokeh plots are constructed by initializing a figure. This is like an empty canvas you can lay out and then add layers to. To add layers, you can use the pipe operator. If you previously used ggplot2, you will notice that while the pipe operator is used to add layers in rbokeh, the plus operator is used in ggplot2. For example, let's say you want to plot life expectancy versus time in one country, Rwanda, using the gapminder dataset. First, you need to extract the entries corresponding to Rwanda using the filter function with the condition country equal Rwanda. To construct a plot, you can use figure followed by the pipe operator. Then you can add a lines layer using the ly lines function. In the ly lines layer, you should pass year to the x argument, life expectancy to the y argument, and the new data frame data Rwanda to the data argument. The resulting plot shows a line with a significant drop in life expectancy around 1990, the year that marked the start of the war in Rwanda that lasted for almost 4 years. So far, we've seen one way of specifying data in rbokeh layers, where you pass a data frame to the data argument and the column names from this data frame to the x and y arguments. The other way is to pass vectors to the x and y arguments. This will produce the same output except for the axis labels. You will see later how to change the axis labels, and you will learn more about the figure attributes in the next chapter. In the course, we will stick to the first way of specifying data by passing the data frame and the columns names. Now let's take a new dataset, the economics dataset from the ggplot2 package. The dataset includes stats about the US economics, including the personal consumption expenditures, PCE, in billions of dollars, the number of unemployed, and population POP in thousands. If you want to create a line plot with population versus time, you can simply specify the x, y, and data arguments in the ly lines layer. Notice that you can assign the resulting figure to plot pop, then print it by writing plot pop. This is because rbokeh figures are objects that you can save, retrieve, and modify later. Now it's time to practice. In the next set of exercises, you will practice more using the economics data.